For welding operations that require additional joint cooperation, such as nonlinear welds and large arc welds, the trim system provides the function of swing in place. That is, the additional joint drives the weld to move, and the welding gun performs swing welding in place. 1. Create a weaving function package. When programming and inserting the weaving function instruction, you need to check swing in place in the programming interface. 2. Manually teach the swing center point and the start point. Firstly, manually teach the welding gun TCP to the swing center point. Secondly, manually teach the additional joint to the start point. Then, you can create a new point A. It contains two parts of date: the swing center point date of the welding gun TCP, the start point date of the additional joint. 3. Manually teach the swing direction point and the end point. Manually teach the welding gun TCP to point B and teach the additional joint to the end point. Then you can create a new point B. After programming, you can see the test results of the swing in place function in the library environment.